get things started for this product roadmap and expanded portfolio presentation, and since I'm the first speaker, I thought it would be good to start with explaining how we help our customers achieve their digitalization goals. And for this, we often refer to our factory data journey. And this journey basically consists of 4 steps. And we use it a lot as a filter for making the decisions about which new product we want to put forward and where we want to invest in product development. So maybe some of you have already heard about our factory data journey, but I am going to quickly walk you through it and explain how it relates to the 5 product families you see on the slide as the building blocks of the pyramid. So let's start. So here we go. The journey starts with factory data collection, and this is basically covered by our connectivity product family. And collecting data is really the foundation of any digitalization effort. This is why you see it at the basis of the pyramid. But the challenge here, and I'm sure you will relate to that, is that you typically need to tap on different data sources and protocols of a vast array of machines of different types, brands, and of different vintages. And this can quickly become a complex undertaking. And this is why we came up with our Connect platform to help solve this problem. And this is clearly an area where we have invested in the past few years and that we will continue to invest in. The second step of the journey is data management. And for this, you need a data platform that basically fulfills 3 major objectives. The first one is the data storage itself, how it is structured, and how the data retention needs to be managed. And then there's often a need to couple different sources of data together in order to bring more context and add meaning to the data. And third, a data platform needs an open architecture because you will need to service the different applications that need to consume the data for different purposes. The third step of the factory data journey is how you will use this data to automate and control your processes. This is covered by the next 2 product families you see on the pyramid: material and process control and traceability. This enables full control and traceability of your products, material, and processes. And finally, the last step of the journey is about calculating key process indicators to measure the performance of your operation. And from that, you need to drive smart actions to improve it based on this intelligence. And this is actually a topic Greg will cover in a bit more details during the webinar. And now, the exciting part, and with the close relationship that we have with ITAC and the other members of the DIR family, we can extend our vision by adding a layer at the top of the pyramid, as you can see. And by doing so, we can introduce complementary modules like the complete MES MOM suite from ITAC and the advanced planning and scheduling module from Dualis. And we can also extend our analytics capabilities with more advanced analytics using the BI and AI platforms from ITAC. And this is what we call our expanded portfolio. And now the synergies that we have across Cogiscan, ITAC, and the other members of the DIR family really puts us in the right place to offer the most comprehensive plug-and-play portfolio in the industry. We now have the means to provide a fully vertically integrated solution that starts from the ground with machine connectivity, that's always the basis, all the way through enterprise-level software. But this vertical integration is not done at the expense of modularity. Modularity has always been an important feature for Cogiscan, and even with the expanded portfolio, this holds true, since each platform can run basically standalone or in collaboration with each other to reach their full potential. Scalability goes well with modularity, and a practical approach to implementing the factory data journey is to go step by step from the ground up, one success after the other, starting with data collection from the machines, and then move on to shop floor control, to IIoT and advanced analytics, and to complete MES MOM capabilities if that's required. So we basically can adjust to where you are in your factory data journey. With Cogiscan Analytics that we already have available, combined with the new options from ITAC, BI, and AI platforms, we can now provide a full suite of analytic solutions to basically answer the 4 big questions. What happened? Why it happened? What will happen next? And what should be done to prevent a problem? And the interesting part is, and Greg will talk about that later, is that on top of the analytics tools we have available, we are building a library of ready-to-use use cases that are specific to electronics assembly challenges. And this can be used to bring instant value and quick ROI. Also, our collaboration with ITAC enables Cogiscan to be enterprise level ready by bringing the right mix of modules that need to be run on premise with enterprise level solutions that need to be deployed over the cloud. For example, for multi-site visibility and management. And lastly, and thanks to you, our customers, we do have a significant footprint of factories running our software across the world today. The following slide summarizes the scope of the intervention that we can handle now in the factory for our customers. It starts at the top with material management from receiving to point of use. This can be augmented with automatic delivery of materials, for example, using automated guided vehicles or AGVs using the transport control option. We can plan production and adjust the plan automatically based on the resources availability in real time using the advanced planning and scheduling module, and Greg will cover that topic later. On the bottom, you can see software integration to leverage the data that comes from the machine. This is basically our connectivity layer. And then do shop floor control to make sure that the process is under control. There are other complementary modules, like you can see on the right side, that are available to manage production, quality, and maintenance. And of course, we can record all the product, material, process, inspection, and measurement data using the traceability module to demonstrate compliance or efficiently manage recalls. And what you see on the left side is the suite of analytic solutions to monitor and improve the process.